Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solana how to close account. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in solananetworks.com, and then once you're here, what you need to do is scroll down and then enter in the details that are required, like the first name and then last name, your title, the company, and then email, your phone, and then city as well. Then select your province and state, your country as well, and then your products or service. And here what you need to do is type in the reason why you want to close your account. And once you do that, here select this I am not a robot box to verify that you are human, and lastly tap on submit. And once you do that, after a couple of business days, the customer service will reach out to you, and then all you gotta do is follow the given process by the customer care agent to successfully close your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.